Today I'm going to show you how I created this show-stopping glam look. It's all about bold eyes and glowing skin. Hit the like button and subscribe if you love makeup tutorials like this. Let's begin. The skin is already moisturized, so I went straight in with Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer to blur and smooth the skin. This primer is also great for oily skin. I even out the skin with Lancome Full Coverage All Over Concealer and blend it out. This is a full coverage concealer that conceals spots and hyperpigmentation. I used shade 435 under the eyes and the center of the face and applied 470 everywhere else. Then I apply bronzer. I am doing these underpainting steps before foundation for a more flawless finish. Applying Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter to the high points of the face. This is going to give a lit from within glow. Any liquid highlighter will do the work. Then apply foundation using my current go-to foundation for glam looks, the One Size Turn Up the Base Full Beat Waterproof Liquid Foundation. This is a full coverage waterproof foundation that is perfect for the occasion. Brightening the center of the face using Hourglass concealer. And Hourglass concealer brush to blend it out before using a beauty blender. Going over the outer section of the face with the same brush I used to apply the bronzer, just to make sure everything is in place. Setting the under eye with Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder in the shade Peach Pie. and the rest of the face with MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. Following these steps, your makeup is guaranteed to last all night and look flawless. Placing powder bronzer over the areas where I applied the cream bronzer. Using it to contour the sides of the bridge of the nose. Adding a light flush to the cheeks using Haus Lab's Pomelo Peach Blush. Defining the brows with Benefit Brow Pencil. And setting it with Benefit Brow Wax. Now the star of this look, the eyes. I am starting with MAC eyeshadow primer to make the colors pop. Then I'm blending a rich brown shade. This is MAC Espresso eyeshadow into the crease as my transition color. And deepen it with MAC Embrace eyeshadow. This is a darker brown. Then I used a clean, fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out the edges using back and forth motion. Spraying the brush with setting spray before this will set the eyeshadow and intensify the color. Adding powder under the eyes just in case there is any fallout. No mess will be created. Using a flat brush to apply this green eyeshadow on the inner half of the lid. Highlighting the tear duct with this silver shade. This helps to open the eyes and draw light to the center of the face. Then I added this deeper green shade and blend where the two shades meet to merge them together. To create a deep smoky effect, I am adding a deep black shade into the outer corner and blend. Next, I line the eyes with a liquid liner and set it with black eyeshadow powder. And line the lower waterline and smudge it out with a deep brown eyeshadow. Completed the eyes with mascara. And lashes. Using Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Banana as my finishing powder to brighten under the eyes. Going over the cheeks again with my blush, just wanted the cheeks to pop a little bit more. And of course, I can't complete my face without my powder highlighter. This is the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. To tie the look together, I am going with a classic pink nude lip to keep the focus on the eyes. I am lining my lips with MAC Cork lip liner and filling them in with a creamy satin finish lipstick. This is MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. And topped it off with Huda Beauty Honey Lip Gloss. And there you have it, a glam makeup look that's guaranteed to turn heads. If you loved this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all a happy new year. Bye.